Hello, welcome back to my channel. It has been, to the day, 4 months since my facial feminization surgery, which consisted of brow reshaping, level 2 sinus shift, also a rhinoplasty. I continue to be just completely thrilled with the results. There hasn't been a whole lot of change with, with how it looks, really. I don't think. If you go back and look at my last video, you may see that some of the swelling here has gone down. I have now begun to regain my sensation in a pretty large way. It's a lot easier to use my eyebrows again. They're not quite so stiff. The parts that used to be numb through here are starting to regain sensation. And that's also true through the scalp. My scalp is significantly more sensate. Parts of here that used to be numb are now sensate. All through here. That's a little numb still, right at the top of the skull. I guess the crown chakra needs extra time, but it's a lot better than it was. Feeling like your own hair is a wig is not a pleasant experience, let me tell you. So, I am thrilled it's coming back. You can see the scars. The scars are getting a lot better. I have been using silicone and Mederma on the scars to try and lessen them, and it seems to be helping, but they are getting a lot better. At this rate, you might not be able to see them in a few months. I'm hoping. So, it was a really difficult process at first. The first month was was really difficult, honestly. Just doing the healing. For those who may be interested, this procedure was performed at the University of Virginia Medical Center by a couple of specialists there. Dr. Jonathan Black did my forehead, and Dr. Sam Oyer did my nose. The nose is a less radical thing than the rest of it. Most of my friends realize that if you've known me long enough, this is the nose I had like 15 years ago. But I think it works well. My nose started to do this hook thing where it was going down. And if you look at some of my older videos, you can see what I mean. What you really want with some kind of surgery like this is a good team. And that's why I feel really grateful that I found the University of Virginia that seems to have the best transgender care I've found in this state. That was a real difficulty when I moved to Virginia, where the rest of the state felt like it might be 30 to 40 years behind the times for trans care. University of Virginia seems like it's right there at the very top. Really high-level doctors, really high-level facility. I have to say I'm really grateful to have been able to have this surgery. I asked in a previous video, is facial feminization surgery worth it? And yes it is. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. May you be well, may you be blessed, may you be filled with unconditional love for all beings. May you be truly at peace. Aloha.